In front of me is HUAWEI MatePad 12X, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. Begin by selecting one of your apps you wish to use in this view and launching it in the background. Then click on this icon at the top right corner. Click on this second app. And with both of them open, tap on the window one. Hold this line at the top and drag your window to the top right or left corner. When you see this gray area, let go. As you can see now, I can use both of my apps at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way to the right or to the left and click on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!